Got Gene here. Got him off the couch on a Sunday to come tow the panel wagon. Yeah, the carburetor's plugged up on it, so it's flooding out. Not a big deal. We're gonna head back to the shop, bud. All right, new day today. We're outside the shop. My dad's got the carburetor all tore apart right here. He had a ton of gas down in those bowls. Now he's just rebuilding the carburetor because he loves it.
I hate carburetors.
So, it was flooding really bad. When we say flooding, these floats sit this way, and there's a little needle down in there for you that aren't familiar with carburetors. And so your fuel, when it fills up that bowl right there, that float right there determines how much fuel to let in as it burns it through the carburetor, or as it flows through the carburetor and into the engine. That's for you that don't know what a carburetor does. We had muffler show up. We were waiting on one more, and then we got the 3-inch pipe. We have the collectors that go up to the headers, and we're going to build new exhaust for this. Get my dad to get this carburetor back together and see how this thing runs. My dad got the carburetor put back on. It's all hooked up, and we're going to see if it'll fire up. Yeah. Look at that. Runs good. Got to adjust it a little bit, but fired right up. Which I knew it would. That's not bad for your first time building a carburetor.
Getting better.
Hey, I wasn't even there to put parts in the pan this time. Dang it. Missed an opportunity. Okay, time to turn this exhaust off. I'm excited. That's it, huh?
Yep.
Well, that's no more.
I'm good at tear down. Putting it back together is where I get in trouble. You want to grab that back end of it? I mean, it should come down fairly easy.
Put these on your wall. Now let's start it.
No, I know what it sounds like.
Awesome is what it sounds like.
What do you want to do now, Dax? I'm going to go inside the pipe.
Well, 23. Oh, barely fits. Okay, cut 2 at 22. You like it?
Yeah, we're going to be able to weld that without.
Oh yeah.
And also the collector part will go over the weld, because that barely fits the pipe. So our weld's going to have to be
Thin.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get this welder.
How much of a gap's on that side, Blake?
Maybe like pinky size, 1/4 inch.
It's more than this though, right? More than this side.
It's like 1/8 of an inch.
So if we go right there, we're good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Poor battery's going to be hating life, but other than that, it'll be fine.
Should we go get some of that heat shield stuff? You think it'll be fine?
It'll be all right. Well, yeah, should be.
I might take up welding someday. Thinking about it.
What?
Like it right there?
Yep. That where you want it? Right there, Wade?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it down.
Better?
I can't get the stupid muffler to come out. Ready?
Are you kidding?
Okay.
Get some WD-40 on it.
Again. Okay, Dax, tell me where.
Here, let's hold this. Just a second. How you looking on your end?
Turn it more. It's not really matching it very good. I think it's got to go that way. I think we had to pipe more that way.
Okay.
Right there.
I like that. Really? Always gotta be messing with me. That wouldn't even fit a toddler. Why?
Might
I
fit
get it
me.
all adjusted where it's nice and comfortable, and these kids mess with my stuff.
It's funny, bud.
Don't you mess with Grandpa?
I do.
You ready?
That looks good.
It's gonna sound good. If it doesn't, we take it back.
All right.
When they put this paint on them, it's like, I gotta be able to weld to it.
I'm about 35 inches from beating you up.
About a half inch off here.
14 inches. Alright, I'm about 14 inches from kicking your butt.
Oh, whatever.
About a half inch away.
Look at those welds.
Not too shabby.
Nope.
That looks good.
Yeah, it does.
This will be my first ever full exhaust build.
Dang.
Awesome.
Full. I mean, I've done a lot of repairs and stuff, but I like it. Look. Stop. Stop doing that. You're gonna ruin my helmet. It was funny the first 5 times.
5 times.
It's like that.
Oh,
Okay.
I like that. What do you think?
Think that's going to be timed right?
I don't know.
We set it up there and find out.
We'll find out.
Yeah, what do you want to cut it?
You like that?
Yeah. You want to? Oh, we got to cut it first.
Right here.
That's fine.
Like it, Dad?
Yeah, we can hold it there. You ready?
You ready?
Yeah. How's your gap up there,
You get
Dax?
right there, Dad. Come back towards the tire a little bit.
There's a little gap in it.
Okay.
Watch your eyes. Okay.
Let me get these bolts in, Ronnie.
That's sweet.
Good.
Pretty cool, huh? We don't have a bender that'll bend 3-inch, so we improvised. You know how long I wanted to put 3-inch exhaust on this? I've been trying to talk him into it for 30 years.
Why can't I turn that around?
30 years.
These are 30 years old. This paint's 30 years old. Everything on this is like old. Even everything under here.
Yeah.
You built
Budget.
this.
Budget build.
You built this when you were my age.
Yeah. Yeah. I put except for I didn't have a lift.
Yeah, you were crawling on the
Crawled around
ground
the floor.
on rocks and stuff
Stick
when you were
loader.
14.
In the snow, uphill both ways.
Yeah, like you walked 6 miles to school barefoot.
Yeah, I walked to school in the snow.
So, Dad, what year did you graduate school?
97. 2 years early.
Yeah, 2 years early. The cops help you graduate.
Yeah.
Papa, what did you think when my dad got kicked out?
Wasn't surprised.
I wasn't surprised.
That's,
He did kicked out, he says.
that's how Papa's used to work, and he's used to working old school, hard way, on the ground. Right, Papa?
Yeah.
The only way he knows.
Cut it on the line.
Yeah, close to that.
Did I?
Good with that?
I'm good.
All right, it's done. Going down.
Coming off for the first time with brand new exhaust.
I can't tell you how excited I am. It's gonna sound mean. There's not much pipes there. Not much muffler there.
Like it.
Papa, get in there, start it.
Sure you ready for this, mate?
Yeah, we're waiting on you, bud.
Okay. Sure you ready?
Mm-hmm, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Let me sit and think about it. Yeah, I'm ready.
Dad, what size exhaust was it before?
1 3/4 inch.
So it went from 1 3/4 to 3 inch.
Oh man.
That sounds good.
Yeah, it does.